Another day in the life of a college wife. Good morning, friends. Excuse me. It is 7 a.m. and I am headed to school. Ooh, Christmas music. Turn that off. I'm headed to school. If you remember following my Vlogmas journey last year, school was a big part. Hopefully the camera doesn't move. School is a big part of the holiday season. This year it won't be as much because last year my school went on strike in October and I was off pretty much till the end of November. I had like 5 weeks off, so we lost 5 weeks in the school year, and we were supposed to end December 12th or whatever. And I'm gonna put you in here. And we ended December 23rd. So this year we actually are ending on December 13th, which is normal, and so I will have a normal holiday. Anyways, I have to drive. I'm just gonna pull out of the driveway and go get some coffee. My morning commute. The plan for today, I'll just quickly fill you in. The plan for today is to go to class. I have 2 classes today, but we'll see.
Hi, may I help you?
Yes, could I please get a large coffee black? So I possibly have 2 classes, one for sure, one morning class, the second class, we'll see. And then tonight, Andrew and I are actually gonna do Christmas shopping. I know Amy Lee and I went Christmas shopping yesterday, but sometimes I'm weary about buying stuff in the States for other people because you can't return it if it doesn't fit or if it doesn't work. So we had like very specific things that she was looking to get, and so that's why I went with her, so she didn't have to go alone. And of course I love going shopping in the States, and I needed more Mario, which in Canada you can only get small amounts of Mario and the rest you have to order online, which is super costly. So yeah, so tonight Andrew and I will do a little shopping, and that'll be fun. And maybe some wrapping. Ooh. Okay, I am at school now. It's cold. And my coat is not zipped up. Funny story. Amy and I have the same coat, and we both, oh, my shirt is dirty. I have a stain on it. We put ours in the trunk. Of her car, and I grabbed the wrong one. I grabbed hers and not mine. So now, oh, sugar. Yeah, now I don't have any access to things that were in my pocket. I realized I had a prescription that I needed to get filled. Anyways, okay, wakey wakey, it's almost 8 o'clock, and I have to be in the classroom by 8. Let's do this. in class and the day is almost done. And Megan and I have like lived a full day, but I didn't really take out my camera. We have this class, another coffee number 2, and then I'll go home. Yes. Color. Makeup challenge.
It has no color. It's like a base. You know when you paint a... It's
like your whole face, just cheeks, nose.
You know when you paint a house, you sign the walls before you paint?
But this much. It's about this, a dime size amount.
What's the size? The bottle?
Yeah, it's like a bottle.
$10.
Oh.
Higher.
It's really good.
20.
Higher. Yeah.
50.
Mine 30. Yeah, my primer is like 38, I think.
I want to know.
It's like this rectangle thing. It has all these different colors. Like
eyeshadow.
I don't know. It's like chalk or something. And there's like weird colors. Like some are blue, some are like brown.
It's eyeshadow.
Yeah, I don't get that. They always complain that's expensive.
I kind of fit everything on my face.
$3.55.
Oh, lipstick.
I could get lipsticks under, like, if that's over $5, it's a joke.
Oh, it's so cold. I gotta find my car. I didn't zip up my coat. Whew. The day is finally over. Mondays are kind of a brutal way to start the week because I have to be in class by 8 a.m. Uh-oh, well, there's my phone. And I am here till 4. It's a little bit early though. Our teacher was so kind and we didn't have a break, so we could just finish class early. Oh, it is chilly willy-nilly in here. Woo! I actually am going to run over to my parents because I think I have something from the school in their mailbox, because when I registered in school I lived there and I never changed my address. And then I am gonna go home and pick up Andrew, and then we're gonna go Christmas shopping as long as he is you know, not working on anything right away. Okay, let's go.
The train was 10 minutes late, that usual irritating way of train.
Just walked in the door. I'm gonna sit on my Walter's little perch. My hair looks crazy because, again, it needs so badly to be highlighted. I drove all the way to my parents' house to check the mail and my letter was not there, and then I came home to check the mail and my letter was not there. So I'm very frustrated. So we're gonna go to the post office now. Hello! Hello! Are you happy that I'm home? Oh, you're happy. So I'm very frustrated. So anyways, we're gonna leave in a minute and go Christmas shopping, which will be so fun and kind of like an impromptu date night, I guess, which will be really nice and sweet. Just another day in the life of a college student wife. Just trying to relax, We're at the mall and we're gonna go see, Natalie works at the mall. Oh, I look so tired. I am exhausted, but I have to shop. I have to do it. I have to do it.
You know what I'm saying? I don't really because I know it's
Just got some Chinese food at the mall food court. We saw Natalie, and Andrew is getting Chipotle, and he is still on his phone. He's on some business calls. You know Andrew? He is either working, or not working, or on the phone. Literally those 3 things all the time. Anyways, we're hoping to get some Christmas shopping done, but I don't know what I'm buying for anybody. So this is like actually stressing me out. I have no idea what I'm gonna get for anybody. We are going to run into one more store, and then I think we're gonna call the shopping trip a night. It feels so late, but it's only 7:22. cannot believe it. I got 2 gifts, which is actually pretty good because they were for the hardest people to buy for. So we have that out of the way, and then I think we've actually mapped out everyone else's gift, so I'm feeling pretty good. It's not gonna be as hard as I originally thought, which is very nice, but at the same time we still have to get them together. Anyways, so we're gonna run into DSW and then head home, right? Are you falling asleep at the wheel?
Where do I turn? Here or next one?
Next one. Ah! Whew. I don't know why I'm not wearing a jacket. If my mom watches this, she's gonna kill me. DSW. DSW. It is time for me to edit this video and go to bed and definitely wash my face. So I'm gonna end this video here. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and I will see you again for a Vlogmas day 4 tomorrow. Good night.